on video.
Say what?
Huh?
What?
On video.
Oh, hey y'all.
Hey guys, so... You want my tell them?
Say what?
You want my tell them?
No, I don't mind.
Alright guys, so they just announced Prom King Queen and sadly he did not make it. That's okay.
But I'm the king of this girl right here.
Even though he did not make Prom King, he's my king. So I'm very happy for him. He tried his best and he's very popular. He's the best guy in the world and I think he would make a great king. So I just wanted to post this and let you guys know what's going on. Yeah, he did not get Prom King, but that's okay. I think he's my king. So I hope you guys have liked these pictures and videos. I will try to post more, but I don't know. So let me show you. Okay, I'm going to show them the tux.
Alright.
So this is his tux. It's very nice, I like it. And this is my dress. So yeah, that's my dress. I hope you guys enjoyed these stuff that I made. Sorry if the camera angle is horrible. You're probably looking at my eyes right now, but we are having an awesome time and it's been an awesome weekend. It's really been an awesome weekend. And I hope you guys can hear me over this. Alright guys, I'll post myself later. Bye!
Alright.